You can access it here. So where we're going to go to sign up for One Marketplace is you log into your account. Okay, so I'm logged into my daughter's account. We're going to go to dashboard. And also have your email open. I have the email open right over here, her email. Then you're going to see right here, you have been invited. We're going to join One Marketplace. Click on that. You have two choices: to be a smart shopper, which is the $14.95 a month. And if you're a premier member, you're absolutely going to want to click the $39.95 a month. So that's what we're picking here, the Smart Shopper Pro. But this is your only two choices. So we're going to click that. And then we're going to add it to the cart. Then we click the checkout button. All right, and then we wait for it to load. You'll notice that all of the details are right here. And so what we do now is we're just going to go over, we see that we got the One Digital Wellness Suite. It's $39.95, and we're going to be charged this monthly. Made your purchase, you're going to see this, thank you, we've received your order. Go over here to the other inbox, One Marketplace. Okay, here we are, we're right here. It actually came to the primary. So this one says reset your password. The other one gives you the login. Let's just do this while we, so you're going to click on this reset password right here. All right, change the password, and it says your password has been reset successfully. I'm logged in. Okay, it says Dawn. Here's my dashboard. Now I could go in and shop. Oh, okay, you're already logged in, folks. So once you change your password, you're logged in. Here's the shopping things that you can get right now. Then now I'm going to go to the dashboard. All right, and so now what I'm going to do is, here's where you edit your invite code. So I'm going to write, we can change it again, but right now I'm going to write this, Gambia, SKY. Okay, so that's, she loves that country, so I'm going to make it that for now. And then success, you close it. And now you can see that your invite code has been changed. Now, this is how you're going to copy and share the link to send to folks. This is actually, you click this, for Tony, here's where you click the share, and your One Marketplace code, QR code comes up. So you want to make sure that you change your invite code before you share your link, because it's going to change your QR code to match your link. So now you can, share your code, share this with people. You can actually log in on your phone, pull up your QR code, and people can sign up from